Hello and welcome to Maths with Jacob. This lesson will focus on factorisation uses. In previous videos we introduced various ways of doing factorisation related to algebraic expressions. One of the most important uses of factorisation occurs when we are simplifying algebraic fractions. The following examples will show how this is achieved. So let's look at the examples. Simplify each of the following algebraic fractions by using factorisation. The first one is 4m plus 8 over 2. Look at the numerator and we can see that the HCF is 4. So the numerator can be written this way. 4 over 2 cancels down to 2. So that can be written as 2 outside of m plus 2. Or we can write it as 2m plus 4. So either one of these is acceptable. Number 2, 6w plus 15 all over 3. The HCF of 6w and 15 is 3, so we can write that as 3 outside of 2w plus 5. And we have 3 there for the denominator. When the 3's cancel, we have 2w plus 5. The third one, 8k plus 20 all over 12. If we look for the HCF of the numerator, it will be 4. So the numerator can be factorised this way. The denominator is 12. When we simplify 4 over 12, we have 3 remaining on the denominator. So that is the simplification. M squared minus 16 over m minus 4. We can recognise straight away that m squared minus 16 is actually m squared minus 4 squared. So that's the difference of two squares. So m squared minus 4 squared can be written this way. And we have m minus 4 on the denominator. If we cancel those out, we have m plus 4. So here's a perfect example of simplification. That algebraic fraction can be simplified to that. 3k squared minus 75 over k plus 5. The HCF of the numerator is 3, so it can be written that way, which can be written this way because k squared minus 25 is k squared minus 5 squared. Using the difference of two squares, we can factorise this way. The k plus 5's cancel out. We're left with 3 outside of k minus 5, which is 3k minus 15. Either one of those two are acceptable. And finally, this one here where we have a trinomial in the numerator. Now the last video we showed how to factorise trinomials. For trinomials of this type, we need two numbers multiplied together to give us 12 and added together to give us 7. That gives us the factorisation there because 4 3's are 12 and 3 plus 4 is 7. The h plus 3's cancel and we have h plus 4 as the answer. So look how beautiful this is. That's a wonderful simplification from there to there. So this video has given us 6 examples where we have seen how to use factorisation to simplify algebraic fractions.